In today's video, I will show you how to change the URL slug of the WordPress post to ensure it matches the actual post title. As you can see in this example, the current post title is Espresso Brewing a Step-by-Step Guide, but the URL slug is sample-post. So we need to modify the URL slug to better match the post title. To make the following adjustment, log into WordPress dashboard, then click on Posts. Now locate the post in question, as my case is this one, Espresso Brewing a Step-by-Step Guide. Let's click on Edit. Once the block editor loads, at the top right corner, click on Settings, and then look for Links section. Let's click on the link. Now highlight the current URL slug and press Delete on keyboard, and WordPress will automatically generate a new URL slug based on the post title, and then save the changes. Then allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website. Let's go back to homepage. Now let me find the post. It should be right here. Let's open it. And as you can see, the post URL slug is the same as the post title. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.